Hi, this video is for you if you are like me, you're over 40, you're over 50, you're over 60, and you have always had thin lips. This video is also for you if you like more pinky nude shades for your lips. I don't wear a lot of bright red, dark colored lipsticks. I feel like they really draw attention to my lips. I found some great new products and new shades, and this is going to be one of those, but wait, there's more videos. I love to find super affordable skincare, makeup, even fashion. If you follow me at Just Doing My Best on Facebook or Instagram, you know that. And so everything today is really affordable. The first thing I have is a lip plumping gloss. I've tried a lot of lip plumping products, and to be quite honest, I really haven't found any that just knock my socks off. So, you know what? This $5 lip plumping gloss, as good as all of the most expensive brands that I've tried, and I love this color. This lip plumping gloss is from Essence, and you might already be familiar with the Essence mascara, which is also like under $5. So right along the same lines, this is called What the Fake, and this is their lip plumping gloss. I think it only comes in 3 colors. The one that I'm wearing, I think it's called Oh My Nude, but I'm going to show you something in a minute that makes this even better. Now, what makes it lip plumping is cinnamon oil, and I can definitely feel the cinnamon oil. If you've ever tried anything that's lip plumping, you've probably felt that kind of tingle, and it's the cinnamon oil or sometimes clove oil that gives it that lip plumping effect. You know, it's not permanent. It just lasts for just a little while. I've always had thin lips, so I don't feel like it just makes me go, you know what I mean? So for $5 though, whether it plumps or whether it doesn't, this is a gorgeous color, super affordable. So this is my first product, Essence What the Fake lip plumping gloss in the color Oh My Nude. And I will link everything down in the description of this video. Let me show you a balm lipstick next, and then I'm going to share the thing that makes this even better. Okay, next I have the L'Oreal Balm in Lipstick, the L'Oreal Glow Paradise Balm in Lipstick. If you haven't tried these are fantastic. And what I love about all of these is they're just a wash of color. If you have super thin lips, anything that is very rich, very deep, very dark, you're going to get very defined lines, which could also draw attention to your thin lips. I said that before. So if you are looking for some color but not attention, does that make sense? Then definitely a gloss is the way to go. A wash of color, so it's not a full-on lipstick. It's just kind of like half the lipstick. So these L'Oreal Glow Paradise Balm in Lipsticks, the 2 colors that I like are number 130 and number 180. 130, a little bit more on the pinky side. 180, a little bit more on the nude side. Here's something that I want you to know. If you want, since I really like more of a pinky nude shade, one of the lip liners that I really like is by Revlon, and I think the color is called Natural. That is a little bit more pink, so any color that I wear with it will come off, will read a little bit more pink. If I want it to read a little bit more nude, then I want to choose a liner. If I want to line my lips and kind of keep everything in, I want to choose a liner that reads a little bit more brown. And so this one that's a little bit more brown is the NYX Vanilla Sky. When I wear this L'Oreal Glow Paradise number 180 by itself, it looks very beigey with a hint of peach, or pink rather. When I wear it with the Vanilla Sky, it definitely looks a little bit more beige, nude, with a hint of pink. So it reads a little bit more brown. I like to keep a couple of lip liners on hand that can go either way. Keep a couple of those on hand that are a little bit closer to your lip shade that can just adjust the lip color that you wear one way or the other. Let me show you these colors. This one is the 130. So just a really pretty pinky nude everyday color. This is super, super nice. And like I said, it's just a little bit of wash of color. And again, anytime you wear something that's a little bit more pinky nude, it doesn't just draw all the attention to your lips. But if you want to make it just a little bit more nude, I guess. Make it so that it kind of looks a little bit more lip plumping, a little bit more light reflective, giving your lips a little bit fuller look. You can add a little bit of sparkly gloss right in the middle. And the one I love either on its own or over something else to just kind of thin it out a little bit. Another lip plumping gloss. This is the Maybelline Lifter Gloss, and this is the color 012. Just add a little bit of sparkly gloss right in the middle, gives a little bit more light reflection, and then gives a little bit more of a plumping effect. I do like to lightly powder my lips before I'm going to put something on them, just to give it something just a little bit more to stick to. Now I'm using the L'Oreal Glow Paradise Balm Lipstick in the number 180. This is the one that reads much more nude. I'm going to add this Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the number 12 again, right in the middle, top and bottom. It's such a pretty, natural, nude, everyday look. I love this color. But did you see what I did before I applied this lipstick? I'm going to give you a minute to go back and rewind. Did you catch it? When I lined my lips, I used a clear lip liner. Clear! This is genius. I'm telling you, I have not been this excited about something in a long time. Clear lip liner. Okay, why do you need clear lip liner? Like I said, if you have thin, mature lips, if you don't like to draw a lot of attention to your lips, like I love this lip right here. This lip combination, this type of color so much. It's just pretty. It's put together. It looks like I gave it some thought without drawing attention, without a red, a dark, a bright pink lip that's going to draw attention to the fact that I have no lips. So it looks like I thought about it. It looks like I put in a little bit of effort without like, wow, she really has no lips. The clear lip liner, one of the things that a clear lip liner will do is it will make sure that whatever you're using on your lips, the color reads very true. Remember I said when you use a more nude, beigey, browny lip liner, then this color is going to read a little bit more nude beige on the brown side. If I use a more pink lip liner, then this lipstick is going to read a little bit more pink. When you use clear lip liner, I have two different brands here. When you use a clear lip liner, then whatever color you get in the tube is exactly what you're going to get. It just will give you basically what you paid for. And then if you want to add a little gloss over the top like I did, you absolutely can. Remember, a clear sparkly gloss in the middle just makes it more light reflective and gives it a little bit more fuller lip. So that's what a clear lip liner will do. The other thing that a clear lip liner will do is raise your hand if you're getting older, you're getting the fine lines and the wrinkles, or what they commonly refer to as smoker lines, and you, oh my gosh, it just drives you bananas that no matter what you do, your lipstick, your lip gloss, whatever, you rarely ever have the bleeding problem with lip gloss. But if you've ever had that issue with lipstick or lip gloss where it just bleeds into the fine lines, that is what is the genius part about a clear lip liner. You don't see it and it just acts like a lip fence. It just keeps everything in. Oh my gosh. Seriously. This one is from Rimmel and this one is from Laura Geller. Seriously, call me. Laura Geller, Rimmel, you need to call me because I love these so much. So why two different ones? The Laura Geller one is a little bit more on the higher end and it's also lip plumping. Okay, so if you really want all of the lip plumping effects, then definitely use all of the lip plumping products. If you just want that lip fence effect, you want to use whatever you want, doesn't matter the color, and you just want to keep everything in. The Rimmel, $5. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I know it's under $10. I want to say it's $5. Clear and just keeps everything in. So whichever option you go with, they're both clear. This is just a little bit pricier and it's lip plumping. This is just clear and $5. They will not give you any of that unsightly lip line when you eat or drink, and they'll just keep all of your lip products exactly where you put them, and you'll get a much truer color. I hope all that was helpful. If it was, I would love it if you would like this video, subscribe, share it with a friend, come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. Everything I used today will be linked down in the description below. Go out today and do your best and be blessed.